Good afternoon, YouTube. My name is Itchy Braids, aka Infinity Braids, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a real life Senzu Bean. So now you're probably wondering, if you don't already know, what is a Senzu Bean? A Senzu Bean is from the TV show Dragon Ball Z, and it's an object that the fighters would take if they had taken a certain amount of damage in a fight. And once they've taken the Senzu Bean, all their energy recovers, they're no longer fatigued, and their health just regenerates back to what it previously was at. And I'm here to show you that they are 100% real. So what is the one ingredient in Senzu Beans that make these objects such great things to have? Well, I'll tell you. It's a bacteria called Spirulina, and it's the most nutritious, balanced food in the world. It actually dates back to 3.5 billion years ago, and it's found in lakes and rivers. It tastes horrible, and it looks like this. So this is just some dried spirulina I have laying around. I usually insert them into capsules because they taste like fish food. It's also really hard to swallow this. It's like swallowing cinnamon, and when you touch it, it gets stuck to your fingers. So it's a really good thing to have despite the taste, and I'm gonna jump into the health benefits and why you should take it now. So now on to the health facts. Like I previously said, spirulina is the most nutritious and balanced food known to man, and it's a microbacteria. And what it does is it converts sunlight into every particle that your body needs to live a long and healthy life. Matter of fact, 3 grams of spirulina is equivalent to 6 pounds of fruits and vegetables as far as nutrients and vitamins. 6 pounds. Not only does spirulina contain all the essential proteins your body needs, but it also contains fatty acids, omega-3, antioxidants. It's known to cure and prevent diabetes, is a great allergy relief, but for my gym heads, it also has more protein than any meat you can think of. Lastly, spirulina is a great energy source, and it has no cell wall, meaning when you take it, the effects are instant. With that being said, if you found this video entertaining or educational, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'm about to go hit the gym, but first, take some spirulina. Cheers. Oh, and before I end this video, if you plan on purchasing spirulina online, please be careful because there are a bunch of sketchy vendors out there. Personally, I know the guy that makes my spirulina, so if you don't want to go through the risk or hassle of ordering them, click the link below and send me a message on Instagram, and I'll even capsule it up for you. Peace. 6 pounds.